Subject Biology for Class 9. Lesson 1. Cell and the organelles of the cell. First, let us see the structure of plant cell and animal cell. Look at the plant cell. We have the nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, vacuole, and the plasma membrane. One of the most prominent parts that we see is a strong cell wall and a big vacuole. And this is the structure of animal cell. All the parts that we have seen in the plant cell also present in this. The only thing is that the cell wall is absent, as well as there is no a big vacuole as we have seen in the plant cell. Comparing the animal cell and the plant cell, let us do a small exercise. Let us try to answer these questions. What common features do you see in both the cells? Which cell organelles are found exclusively in plant cell? And let us compare the plant and animal cell. Let us learn about cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outermost layer of the cell that separates cytoplasm from the external environment. Any substance entering or leaving the cell can do so only through this membrane, and the exchange of substances through the cell membrane happens very selectively, and hence it is known as selectively permeable membrane. What are the functions of the cell wall in plant cells? It exerts an inward wall pressure to resist the outward pressure exerted by the cell sap, and hence the plant cells can withstand much greater changes of surrounding medium than the animal cells. Now let us learn about nucleus. The nucleus regulates and controls all the functions of a cell and determines the characteristics of the organism. It consists of all genetic information. The nucleus is also closely involved in the process of cell division. Endoplasmic reticulum. One function of the endoplasmic reticulum is to serve as a channels for the transport of materials between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Now, the endoplasmic reticulum has two types. The endoplasmic reticulum may have some granule-like structures on its surface, which are called ribosomes, and such endoplasmic reticulum are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Similarly, areas or sections of endoplasmic reticulum that do not have ribosomes on them are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site of protein manufacture, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids important for the cell function. Golgi complex. This organelle is also made up of several membranes. These membranes create sac-like structures around which many fluid-filled vesicles abound. The proteins and other substances produced in the ribosome reaches the Golgi complex through these vesicles, and their main function is to pack various substances before they are transported to other parts of the cell. From here, these substances are either sent towards the cell membrane or to another organelle, that is the lysosome. Lysosome, the suicidal bags of the cell. One of the facts that troubled the scientists for a long time was that certain enzymes present in the cell have the ability to destroy almost all the structures in the cell, but did not damage it. This puzzle was solved when lysosomes were discovered. It was found that they contained the destructive enzymes. These enzymes normally do not come in contact with the rest of the cell. The materials that need to be destroyed are transported to the lysosomes. Then the lysosomes get them digested at times. The lysosomes burst and the enzymes are released to digest the cell. And therefore, they are known as the suicidal bags of the cell. Another organelle present in the cell is mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Look at the structure. We have matrix, cristae, inner membrane, outer membrane. Mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration, a process through which the cell derives its energy to do work, and hence they are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Now we have come to the pigments section of a cell. Chloroplast is a type of plastid in green color. Plastids are present only in plant cells. They are mainly of three types. One, chromoplast, which are colored, leucoplast, which are colorless, and the chloroplast, which is green colored. And the shape of the chloroplast may be disc, oval, etc. In algae, these can be found as ladders or star or spirally coiled or reticulate structures. The primary function of chloroplast is to trap the energy from sunlight and transform it to chemical energy, thus helping to carry out photosynthesis. Now let us try to answer these questions.